everyone and namaste. This is Khushbu Singhvi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm sharing with you all a detailed review about the Phyto Curls range by Earth Rhythm. I've already shared my first impressions about this, and today I'll be sharing a detailed review about all the products in this range. Now this range consists of a pre-shampoo cream, a shampoo, a deep conditioner, a gel and a serum. So let's get started and let me share my views about these products with you all. So let's start with the pre-shampoo cream first. Now this comes in this little cute packaging. By the way, I love the packaging of the product. It's very unique and different and I really find it very cute. Okay, now talking about this pre-shampoo cream, it is an ultra moisturizing cream. This is supposed to be used before your shampoo, so you can use it as a pre-poo or as a pre-poo mask. So you can apply this in your hair, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then you can detangle your hair, because this one have a pretty good slip and it will really help you with detangling if you have left it in your hair for 15 to 20 minutes. And after that you can continue with shampoo. Quick look at the ingredient list. Along with the goodness of murumuru butter, argan oil and coconut oil, let's quickly have a look at the first 5 ingredients. First ingredient you see is aqua, that is water. Disodium EDT is a chelating agent which will help you get rid of any hard water deposit. And then glycerin and propanediol will increase the hydration, and carbomer is used for the texture of the product. Now what I like about this is more of a conditioner consistency. Actually, let me just show it to you. So this is a nice thick creamy texture and this is very easy to apply. It spreads very easily. If you wish, you can apply this on your slightly damp hair or you can directly go on your dry hair as well. This can also be used on the scalp. However, I did not use it here, but it's completely usable on your scalp as well. Now you have to ensure that you're covering all your hair strands and especially your hair ends very nicely. I leave it on in my head for around 15 to 20 minutes and then I add some water and detangle. If you wish, you can also detangle with the conditioner on. It's completely optional as you feel comfortable about it, but this is really effective and leaves my hair super soft. I absolutely love this, and if you have dry or colored curls like me, you will definitely love this product a lot. The only thing I feel that this packaging is a little tiny, so the product is gonna get over really soon. So I wish it was coming in a bigger packaging. However, at this price point, I feel it's a very fair deal because it's really effective. And secondly, you can always get an even better deal in their sales. So definitely keep a look on the Earth Rhythm sales. Also, you can totally skip on a deep conditioning treatment when you're using this. You can just follow up with a normal conditioner, or you can keep their deep conditioner just for 3 to 4 minutes like a conditioner, because this is really moisturizing and it's going to provide you with all the nourishment that your hair needs. Now let's move on to the next product, which is their shampoo. This also comes in this very cute packaging. Absolutely love how it looks and how it works. Now this is called the Intense Moisture Lock Shampoo. This is a mild to medium strength shampoo which does not dry out your curls at all. It in fact is moisturizing. You can actually feel that it just leaves your hair soft after you rinse it out. Let's have a quick look at the ingredient list. Apart from the goodness of murumuru butter and rice bran extract, let's have a look at the first 5 ingredients. First is of course water and glycerin, self-explanatory. The third complicated name is actually a derivative of guar gum, which helps in conditioning and giving your hair a silky look. And the next 2 are mild surfactants. And this is a great choice for your midweek washes or even for your main washes if you haven't oiled your hair. So this is more towards the milder side, so it cannot really wash off your heavy chumpies. A light oil or the spray shampoo cream which comes along, it's perfect with that. Let me quickly show you the texture of this and how I use it. Now this one have a little runny consistency, so I'll say be careful when you use it. And I definitely felt that I needed a little extra in quantity in compared to the other shampoos. It cleanses effectively. I like to massage my shampoo really nicely on my scalp and give it enough time. It's very important if you want your shampoo to work effectively. As you can see, it foams decently. I won't say that it's a lot of foam, but it's pretty decent. And it's very easy to use as well. It can spread in your hair really easily. Here I'm using a little extra for my hair length as I felt the need. Always give enough time on your hair length as well to clean it effectively. Personally, I felt that even using more quantity of this shampoo was not drying at all. So that is great. This one is very mildly fragrant and it's a very pleasant smell. I absolutely enjoyed using this and you can definitely give this a try if you are looking for a mild shampoo. As I said, please do remember, look out for all of these products in the Earth Rhythm sale if you are looking for a better deal on them. Now let's move on to the next product in the line, which is their deep conditioner. This comes with this cute packaging again with a pump on top. It's very easy to use, and oh my god, it is so moisturizing. If you leave this in your hair for around 20 minutes, you can definitely feel that softness. It really moisturizes your hair very well. However, I do feel if you have wavy hair or very fine hair, I would recommend to use this in less quantity. Do not go overboard with the quantity. And I do feel that you do not need a lot of this. Little does the job. You just have to leave it in your hair for 20 minutes and then start detangling to make your detangling process easy. Talking about the ingredients, again, along with the murumuru butter, aloe vera and argan oil, let's see the first 5 ingredients, which is water and glycerin, self-explanatory. The third one is a conditioning agent. The fourth one here is used for the texture, and this also makes your hair smooth and soft. And citral alcohol is a moisturizing alcohol. This one have a pretty decent slip. I won't say it's like amazing, but it's good enough to detangle your hair. Show you the texture and how I use it. Now these are my freshly shampooed hair, and now I'm going to take the deep conditioner. You can see the quantity I'm using. This is a very thick and a very creamy deep conditioner, so I'll highly recommend that you apply it on your damp to wet hair, not like dripping wet hair, but they should be a little wet for easy spreadability, and you will actually end up using the right quantity. Otherwise you might end up using extra, which is actually not needed. So it's very important that you ensure that you cover all your hair very nicely with the deep conditioner, and especially the hair ends. I'm going to leave this only for 5 minutes in my hair today since I've used the pre-shampoo cream, but otherwise you can keep it for 15 to 20 minutes in your hair. If you are a curly like me with dry hair, colored hair, chemically treated hair, or if you have really thick, coarse, dry, curly hair, this is a perfect deep conditioner for you. Again, this product is also very mildly fragrant and it's a very pleasant smell. More or less the entire line have a similar smell, especially the pre-shampoo cream, shampoo and the deep conditioner. And it's not something that hits me. I really enjoy it. It's a very refreshing, happy fragrance for me. So yeah, I really enjoyed using all of these 3 products. Now let's move on to the next product in the line, a must for every curly hair, and I'm talking about their gel. Now this is their curl defining gel, which is enriched with flaxseed oil and argan oil. Apart from that, let's have a look at the first 5 ingredients. Actually, we have already discussed all these ingredients except the 4th one, which is actually used as a stabilizer and also for the texture of the product. It's such an easy to use, beginner friendly, moisturizing hair gel. This is no way going to dry out your curls. If you are a beginner in your CG journey, or if you're looking for a very moisturizing gel, if you especially have dry curls or in this winter season you do not want to add any tiny bit of dryness to your hair, you should definitely look out for this gel. This is a soft to medium hold gel. However, it provides a very good cast. I feel again for fine hair curlies, this gel can be slightly heavy, so be careful with the quantity because you do not need to use a lot of this. Now, one thing that I definitely miss in this line is a leave-in. I so wish they had one, and I'm really hoping that they are going to come up with a leave-in really soon. I'll also recommend that since this entire line is very moisture rich, you can definitely pair it up with a protein rich leave-in before you use this gel. Come, let me show you how I use the gel on my hair. I love tube packaging because they are very easy to use. So this is the quantity I use for one side of my hair. Now this is a very easy to work with and easy to use gel even for beginners, as it's very easily spreadable. I also love the shine this adds to my curls, and of course the cast I've already told you all about. So I like to apply this in praying hand motions, and then I go raking and then scrunching, as you can see here. This is my go-to way of applying gels. I'm repeating the same process on the other side as well. And yeah, that's how my hair looks, and I'm going to let them air dry now. I absolutely love how this gel smells. It's a very pleasant fragrance. It's different from the other 3 products, but it's really nice. All in all, I love how all of these products smell on my hair. Now let's move on to the final product from this line, and I'm talking about the super smooth hair serum. Now please see that this serum have silicons along with many other amazing ingredients, but just letting you know in case you are a curly who do not like to use silicons. Now this one is also enriched with murumuru butter like all the products in the line. Apart from that, if we see the first 5 ingredients, capric triglyceride helps with smoothness and softening your hair. The second ingredient here helps in making your hair silky without weighing them down. And the next 3 are silicons, which also help with moisturizing and increasing the hydration by coating your hair. Apart from this product, all the other ones are silicone free. Now this is an ultra lightweight serum. You can definitely very easily use this for your SOTC. You can also use this for your styling. You can also use this to, just relax all these little flyaway that comes, a little frizz that, comes over your head. You can just take some serum in your hands and rub it over it, and you will see it will instantly settle down. I absolutely enjoyed using this for SOTC. It adds a nice shine to your hair, Very easy to use. Even if you go a little bit overboard with the quantity, you will not really feel it. So yes, very easy and convenient to use. Now let me quickly show you how I actually use the serum. I find the packaging of the serum very convenient to use. So for my hair, I'm just using 2 pumps of serum here for breaking the cast. Now this step is basically called SOTC, that is scrunching out the crunch. That means that every gel, gives you a cast, and to break that cast away, you scrunch your hair just the way I'm doing here. You can also pat it if you feel this will add frizz. However, using a good serum does not add frizz to your hairs, and this serum is really good for SOTC. Here I'm fluffing my roots, so this adds a lot of volume. This actually get your curls that is hiding underneath the cast out and make your hair look shiny and voluminous. So these were my final results with this entire line. I feel the serum is perfect to use for SOTC. Really lightweight, adds a good shine, and does not add any additional frizz to your results. So yes, this is how my hair was looking by the end. This one again have a very fresh, pleasant fragrance similar to the gel. Now personally, I don't use a lot of silicone based products because they do not work the best for my hair, but I know that a lot of curlies absolutely love it. So yes, it's different for everyone, but if you do like or you love to use silicone based products, I would definitely recommend that you can try the serum out because this is a really nice serum. Guys, this is it by this line. This is all the products that they had. I really hope that you found this review helpful. If you have any questions regarding any of these products, please feel free to put them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to help you. And thank you so much for watching.